I'm going to show you how to do backstitch, which is a really important linear stitch. It's one of your basic toolkit stitches and it's worked in a line. So bring your needle up from the reverse of the fabric where your line's going to start and create your first stitch into the fabric. And you want all of your stitches to be roughly the same here. And then you're going to bring your needle up a little way away along that same line. So this distance here between your first stitch should be the same as the first stitch that you've made. And then you're going to bring your needle back down, so you're now going backwards along the line into that same hole where your first stitch went down. And what this does is it creates a continuous line of stitching. So unlike something like running stitch, this creates a great uninterrupted line. So it's really good for outlining shapes. And you can go around corners with it, so you just take that line where you want it to go, and you can work this in a wavy line as well, so it doesn't have to be straight lines. The main thing on that is that you'll probably need to reduce the size of your stitches a little bit to make sure that you can follow that curve accurately. And so as you can see, it grows really nicely to create a solid line of stitching. And then once you're done, you just want to bring your needle back through to the reverse of the fabric and you can fasten that off so that your stitching doesn't come undone.